Hey guys, the topic of today's video is clothing sizes in different countries. Today I'm going to talk about the different names and terminology for clothing sizes in Japan, US, and China, and also the size deflation or inflation in different countries. For clothing sizes, there are many different types of clothing sizes, ranging usually from an extra small to a triple extra large. These terminologies definitely differ between these different countries. Although in Japanese, katakana is used, the wording of the actual size is a little bit different compared to English. So let's get right into it. In Japanese, an extra small is excess size. This continues for every other size with a different size for each type. So it ranges from XS, S, M, L, XL, etc. Notice how these are just the first letter of each word. However, in American English, you actually have to say the word out loud, the entire word, when referring to the sizes. For example, for extra small, you would have to say the two words extra and small. Just saying XS wouldn't fly over here in America. Same goes for S, M, L, as you have to say small, medium, and large. In fact, the beginning of me coming to the United States from Japan, I often thought that in English they would use just the acronym. So in a department store, I would usually ask, do you have a M size? And the store clerks would usually look at me with a confused look on their face because they would usually just say medium instead of M. Now for Chinese, obviously the terminology is a little bit different from these two countries. For example, extra small is 特小号, small is 小号, M is 中号, etc. Notice how the word 号 is attached after the description of the size. Now lastly, I have one question for you guys. Notice how extra large in Chinese is 超特大号. However, when I looked on Google to see what the translation for triple XL was, there was no such word. So my question for you guys is, what is the word for triple XL size? Is it maybe 超特大号 or something similar? You guys let me know. Next, I'm going to talk about size deflation or inflation compared in different countries. In this chart, it lists the women's clothing sizes conversions between different countries. We're going to focus on the US and Japan here first. What I mean by size deflation/inflation is that one size that is in one country might be much smaller or larger when traveling to a different country. Let's take a US size 6 for example. If you were to buy a clothing that was size 6 in America, like a shirt, then when you travel to Japan, you would probably need to look for a size 7 or 9. This is because in Japan, a size 6 would be much smaller than a US size 6. Same goes for the small, medium, and large concept I just introduced earlier. If you are usually a medium in the US, then you would probably have to find a large. Or if you are a small in the US, then you'd probably have to find a medium size in Japan. Maybe the next time you go to different countries to shop for clothes or different types of footwear, maybe take this into account. And I hope that you found this helpful.